Alright, so I got into Aswan last night. I was taking an Egyptian train. They didn't really want me on it. I mean, the people did, the conductors didn't, but it was really actually pretty cool. The whole time all the people were trying to talk to me even though they couldn't speak any English. We tried to communicate. I'm stopped somewhere halfway between Aswan and Abu Simbel right now. Got in there at Aswan about midnight. Had to wake back up at 3 o'clock, 3 a.m. So it's now about 6:30 a.m. So I should be at least halfway to Abu Simbel, in the middle of the desert. Walking along to Abu Simbel now. And here's Lake Nasser, which was caused by the flooding of the Nile when they built the Aswan High Dam. And that's why this lake is really the reason why Abu Simbel is considered a world wonder 2 times. An ancient world wonder and a modern world wonder. Because it was carved into the mountainside here. And when they built the high dam, and you can see the Nile flooded so much, making this big lake, well, it was going to flood and cover and destroy Abu Simbel. So archaeologists from Europe and America, and I think there's even a Canadian or two maybe, but they took it completely apart for the Egyptians, and piece by piece brought it uphill just out of the way of the lake and reassembled it back together again, which is pretty incredible. That was the 1960s. And we're real far south here, not too far from the Sudan border. See, the original site of the temples would be out there in the lake. And the current temple now. Here it is. And for me, it's the second greatest site in Egypt after the Great Pyramids. Really, really amazing. Look at the size of those guys. 4 statues of Ramses. One of them destroyed. Right here next to the lake. How cool is that, huh? Look at the size of these things. Really amazing. Seems a battle here. Great to see the chariot here. Back a little bit. All right, we're gonna go off of the main temple. And we'll go over to the second one over here. Lake Nasser looks nice. And Abu Simbel's way down at the bottom of Egypt, so it's a very warm place. Nobody knew about this place until the 1800s, by the way. It was an explorer, European explorer, that happened upon it. He found it, and it took quite a bit of years to unbury it from all the sand, because it was completely covered in sand. Forgotten at the time. Drawings and these hieroglyphics. This appears to be a Nubian here being struck down.
Yeah. No wonder he was back in Nefertari.
Oh, buddy. Sailboats out there. So that's the end of this video, and goodbye from the amazing giant wonder of Abu Simbel. I guess you can climb. All right. Signs down.